In this video, you will learn how to make $900 per day with Propeller Ads and CPA marketing. So the first step is head over to propellerads.com and click on Start in the up right corner. Now you want to choose that you are going to sign up as an advertiser account, right? You want to promote CPA offers. So now you want to click on individual, all right, and fill in all of your personal information. So your name, your last name, your country of residence. So as you can see, you can be from anywhere in the world. This strategy works from anywhere in the world. And choose your city, address, email, your phone number, and also select your messenger type, all right? So it doesn't really matter which one you have. You want to enter your nickname in this box down here. Once you have this filled out, click on continue. So once you have your personal information filled out, now you need to tell Propeller Ads more about your experience. So you want to choose business model. I am an affiliate and want to promote products from CPA networks or direct advertisers. And here, what other traffic sources and CPA networks do you currently work with? So you want to add something like CPA grip, all right, CPA lead, okay, Zaydo, or Tap Mob. Right, so you can do these for CPA networks so that Propeller Ads sees that you actually have some experience and you know a couple of CPA networks. Now, what advertising formats are you planning to use? I usually go with on-click, pop under, and push notifications. So make sure to select both of these. So now you want to enter what type of verticals you work with. So this is what type of offers you're going to be promoting. So I'm going to click on sweepstakes, all right? So how did you hear about us? You can do YouTube, Damien Belak's channel, and comments. You can leave this out, this is optional. Click on I accept the terms and click on I'm not a robot. So now you want to click on sign up and you want to activate your email address. So head over to your Gmail inbox and click on the link they sent you. Now, congratulations if you have activated your account. Now this is what you see in your back office, right? So here are your stats, traffic chart, audiences, and we're going to use Propeller Ads to send traffic to our CPA offers. Now up here, you're going to have your balance. So I have about $30 left in my account. Now, obviously this strategy needs a couple dollars to get traffic to your offer. So bear that in mind. But now it's time to go out there, go to our CPA network and choose an offer. So now you have a couple of options. You can go to cpagrip.com, CPA lead, or Zaydo. So this is completely up to you. Both of these networks are awesome. So I'm going to leave this up to you. But for this example, I'm going to use CPA grip. So I'm going to show you guys how to sign up as well. So I'm going to log out of my account, okay, just like this, and click on register. And I'm going to show you how to fill out this registration form with CPA grip. So first of all of your personal information, once again, first name, company, you can leave this blank. For the website, you can add your YouTube channel or your Facebook link, all right, to your profile, right, your street address, your country. This works from anywhere in the world. And for the publisher type, this is very important. Click on GPT, which means you get paid too. This is going to allow your account to get accepted much faster. Now check all of these boxes and click on register now. So I'm going to log in for you guys and show you how to pick the perfect offer so we can start making money. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash the like button below and let's try to reach 300 likes on this video. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. I upload videos just like this every single week on my channel. So if you are not subscribed, you're missing out on a lot of free awesome content. So make sure to do that right now and let's continue. So once you have a CPA grip account, head over to offers, tools, and my offers. And now you want to pick a CPA offer that you can start promoting. So I like to do country and I like to target USA offers. Now you want to click on category and click on email/Ziz submits. And now you want to click on all mobile. So we are going to be promoting mobile offers. And as you can see, there are 3 offers currently on the CPA grip network. And I'm going to go with the first one. So grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. Before I click on the actual offer, make sure to copy your affiliate ID. All right. So this one up here. Now you can click on it. All right. And now you have to enter it behind the tracking ID. So this is the actual affiliate URL and equals your affiliate ID. So one more time, copy your affiliate ID. All right. Click on the offer and paste it behind your tracking ID. And now you want to copy the link. So now it's time to start promoting this offer using Propeller Ads. So head over to Propeller Ads, okay, and click on create a campaign. So now you want to give this campaign a name. So I'm going to head over to CPA grip and give this campaign a name of the offer. So I know exactly where the commissions are coming from and what offer I'm promoting. Right, so now you want to click on click, pop under, and direct click. So we have selected this on the sign up page, okay, and I'm going to click on direct click and leave the pricing model as CPA goal 2.0. Now for the target URL, this is the actual affiliate URL from a CPA Grip account. So head over to CPA Grip, copy the link and paste it inside here. Now we need to do one more thing before we start promoting this link. We have to add a click ID so we know exactly where our conversions are coming from. So all you have to do is just click on at the end of this link and click on click ID. So now we're gonna know exactly where our clicks are coming from. So now go down and you wanna check include anti-ad block and you wanna target countries United States, all right? Because this is where our offer is from. Now for the CPA goal, this is very, very important. Now I have had some awesome meetings with the Propeller Ads marketing team, and they have suggested that you want to add the CPA goal of 80% of the actual payout. So if the payout is, let's see, $2, you want to add a CPA goal of 80% of the payout. So I'm going to pull up my calculator. So the offer payout is $2.07. And I'm going to multiply this by 0.7, all right, or 0.8. This is up to you. So this is going to give me 70 to 80% of the offer payout. So $1.50 should be the CPA goal. All right. So this is an awesome golden nugget that I'm sharing with you guys. I have gotten this from one of the webinars I attended, and the marketing team from Propeller Ads directly suggested this to me. So 70 or 80% of the offer payout should be the CPA goal. Golden nuggets right there. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Let's continue. Skip this. You don't want to be targeting any cities just yet. We don't have any results from the campaign. We need some stats so that then we can optimize. All right. So we're going to leave this blank, and here's your daily campaign budget. So this is what I like to do. I like to add a daily campaign budget or a total campaign budget. This is up to you as well and based on your budget. So I would usually do something like, $15 per day. All right. Or you can do a total of, like $50 for this campaign. It's completely up to you and based on your budget. So if you want to test out this campaign, all right, and this CPA offer, you can test it out with, let's just say $20, all right? Or you can see, please note that budgets below $30 might be exceeded, so you can add $30, all right? So you can add a $30 total campaign budget for this campaign alone. Now you want to go down, all right? And now for the targeting, we are going to target mobiles because we have selected a mobile offer from CPA Grip. Now I'm going to leave everything as is on this section. So I'm not going to choose the OS, the device, the browser, or anything like that. I'm going to optimize the campaign later once I have a bit of results. So if I see that most leads and conversions are coming from, let's just say, an older Android device, then I can optimize it a bit later, okay? So I'm gonna leave everything blank and I can scroll down, and now you can see that I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines, and before campaign is started, it will be sent for review. So this usually takes about 24 hours. So now you can also schedule the campaign, okay? And you can just leave it running all the time, all right? So for all the days and all the hours, all right? And once you have everything filled out as I showed you in this video, now you can click on Start Campaign. And you're gonna wait about 24 hours until it gets approved. And if it does get declined, they're gonna give you the reason and what you need to change. So that's 100% okay. But 90% of the times your campaign is gonna get approved. So now you can click on Start Campaign and sit back until it gets approved. And then you're gonna see some conversions and leads coming in. Now, obviously not every campaign is going to be successful. You're gonna have to tweak and optimize a few things once you start getting some conversions and leads. Now, if you wanna test out this campaign, just click on Add Funds and deposit how much you are willing to invest and test out the strategy. So this is completely up to you and based on your budget. If you don't have enough money to spend on paid ads, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and continue watching my videos, because I also upload awesome free traffic strategies that you can directly use to make money with CPA marketing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to smash the subscribe button if you are new and like this video to support this channel. Make sure to comment what you think about this method. And without further ado, I'm gonna see you in the next video.